How to clear data on the Prism AI app. So first, open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen, but simply tap on the settings icon on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on it, your page should look something like this. From here, you can change and modify your preferences and simply scroll down until you see danger zone. Here you'll see an option called clear all data. Simply tap on it. Then the app will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap on clear all, and after a few moments your data will all be cleared, and it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.